Hit. That was a direct hit. Alright. That's it. Let's check Kim M real quick. Kim M. Another direct hit. And they just flew away. They just flew away and we're getting some air. Okay. These frequencies are called stellates thus far. And that's intercommunicative. S together. Those S. Air we just got the other day. Well, I didn't even know that it came out on the microphone and then we felt it afterwards. So we have to be very, very careful. This is day 2, day 3. Right after reaching that which is intertwined with which is intertwined, but however it is, we came out with that discovery on chemical and airway, same thing. John the Baptist, India, rivers, hold your breath. 2 chemicals and 2 fleshes, 2 cell types. Tooth and flesh will have 2 different cell types. Basically, if there's going to be anything that is jumbled together, it's going to be through chemical before removed. Reaching that is kind of normal. Being in an element is quite bizarre this far. Because either I'm hearing things or the wind is coming in before it's cross-traveling. We're hearing other things. We would like to, the second day of this kind of stuff, I don't know. No, they basically have vacated their premises, and we got 2 pretty loud thumps in it, so I guess we're going to listen to this real quick, see how it came out. Alright, over and out. That was Bird Fight. Bird Fight on a odd day. An odd day. It was a gloomy, sad moment. Over and out once again. Bird Fight documentary.